Introducing Swann state-of-the-art, easy-to-use 4K Ultra HD thermal sensing security camera systems. It's everything a burglar doesn't want. Evidence from recorded video. Visibility from the spotlights. Warning from the siren. Enjoy peace of mind wherever you are, 24/7 with the Ultra HD security system installed in your home or business. Seeing is believing with 4K Ultra high-definition cameras offering breathtaking quality with 4 times the resolution of 1080p cameras. True Detect thermal sensing detects motion by heat, such as from people and cars, to trigger recording and push notifications, virtually eliminating false triggers. The cameras also turn on the lights when heat is detected, and the lights are bright enough to provide color video, even at night, allowing you to see the color of clothes, cars, and more for enhanced visual evidence. An integrated siren allows you to scare off intruders. The lights and siren can be activated by motion detection or manually via the Swann Security app. Thermal detection also conserves space on your DVR's hard drive, helping save space for the activity you really want to see. Set and forget recording onto a massive hard drive with easy retrieval of incident video via USB port onto a memory stick, network, or your mobile device's memory. Have extra peace of mind by uploading footage to the cloud when you link your DVR to your personal Dropbox account, so you'll have video evidence even if your DVR gets stolen. Use voice commands via Alexa and the Google Assistant to see what's happening at home.
Alexa, show me the front door.
You can also speak to see what's happening via the Google Assistant.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
Video analytics helps you know what's happening. Set up line crossing detection, intrusion detection, and static object detection to trigger recording and alerts. View live or playback video in high definition on your HD TV, LCD screen, or monitor via HDMI connection or VGA port. Safeguard loved ones, protect property, see if a package has been delivered, and make sure pets and loved ones are all okay. Swann's cutting-edge 4K Ultra HD thermal sensing security system. It's from Swann, the world's #1 name in security made smarter.